Hey, boys and girls, good morning. Today is Monday, April 13th. Just want to remind you, hey, you can do it. All right, boys and girls, today for your assignments we'll start with ELA today. For ELA, you have 3 activities today, and all these activities should take you about an hour. Some might take you a little bit less, some might take you a little bit more, but in total on your ELA activities, you really should be spending no more than about 70 minutes, no more than an hour and a half for sure. I would say about an hour would be about average. First things first, you'll go through your Nearpod lesson. This should take you about 40 to 45 minutes, including the spelling page, which, I need to add that on here. I'm glad I checked this. And here is your Nearpod code. And then for writing today, you're going to write about someplace that you enjoy going. If you're not quite sure how to get started, I gave you a little outline you can follow. But remember, you need to write or type the paragraph, not just fill in the blanks. Remember when you click onto the writing assignment that you'll need to send it to Docs. You'll have to click on the little square in the upper right-hand corner, and then you can type it up. And then I have your handwriting for you, which I forgot to change the name of that. I did change it. Must not have saved, though. But handwriting sentences, lesson 1. So that is your ELA today. For math, you have 2 activities today. Your total math time should take you about 35-40 minutes. If it's taking you an hour or 2, I'm not sure what you're doing because it shouldn't take you that long. It should take you about 35 to 40 minutes. You're going to do your multiply by, I think, 7's pattern sheet. This is not timed, but it shouldn't take you any more than 5 minutes. And then we'll go through the Nearpod lesson about perimeter. And here's your code for Nearpod. And I'm going to try doing something new today. We're going to try to go through, if you are available, to go through our math lesson live on Google Meet. So I will send out the link for that at about 9 o'clock this morning. And if you're able, I'd like to have you join us. We can go through the Nearpod lesson together. I will give you instructions on how to get on. It will be a little bit different than normal. And then this way, if you have any questions about anything, you can ask because I will be right there to help you. And if you're not able to join, that's totally okay because all the materials that you need are within this lesson. Okay, next we have, Cakes in Space, Chapter 10, Part 2. We are almost done with our book. We have Part 3 we'll do tomorrow, and then we'll do Chapter 11, the final chapter, on Wednesday. To do the Cakes in Space activity, that should take you about 10 minutes. And then, of course, if you didn't finish up your pen pal letters, make sure you get that done. I'll be contacting you individually to make sure we get those turned in so I can get them sent off to their teacher. And, of course, please make sure that you check in today. Today's question. Where are you? So I want to find out who is the oldest in our class. And to do that, we're going to do a little different than how you normally would do. But how old are you? How old are you? What I want you to do this time is I want you to add up the numbers for your birth month. So mine was September, so that's the month 9. It's the 9th month in the year. My date is the 28th. I was born on September 28th in the year 1984. Then you'll add up all those 3 sets of numbers together, and we're going to see who in our class has the highest total. So my total for my birth month of September, my date, 28, and my year is 2021. So I wonder in our class, who's older than I am? All right, boys and girls, I think that is all today. I'm sure there are some things that I forgot to tell you. Please make sure you text me or you have your parents text me about any questions that you have, and hopefully we'll be able to have some kids join us online today for our math lesson. I'll talk to you later.